Dangerous, distracted drivers, horrifying hit and runs, and tons more terrifying mayhem is coming up on today's episode of
Wham! Bam! Teslacam! I hope you're satisfied!
Anthony was on his way to his local Tesla service center for a demo drive of the latest Model 3 in typical Friday evening traffic. As drivers in the exit lane slowed to a stop, Anthony followed suit, but the Renault driver behind him wasn't paying attention. Anthony's Model 3 was shoved into the back of the vehicle ahead before coming to a stop. After the collision, the driver who'd crashed into Anthony accused him of braking too hard. But his Teslacam footage clearly shows he slowed smoothly to a stop only because the vehicle ahead of him was doing the same. For safety reasons, his Tesla cut power, preventing it from being driven away from the scene. Thankfully, nobody involved in the collision was seriously injured. Police responded an hour later to secure the scene and investigate the incident. Anthony's Tesla was in the repair shop for 3 months, and the final repair bill came to over $25,000 US. Marco was headed home from work just after midnight and was behind a Ford Focus driver who was driving below the speed limit. After Marco repeatedly flashed his high beams at the other driver, he brake-checked Marco as they both entered a roundabout. Marco continued tailgating and high-beaming the other driver until the next roundabout, after which he passed him in the other lane. This prompted the other driver to high-beam Marco, so Marco brake-checked him in response. The Ford driver quickly tried to speed around Marco to cut him off, but he collided with the front of Marco's Model 3 instead. Both drivers stopped before the Ford driver called Marco some unpleasant names and told him he'd be reporting Marco to the police. Marco called the police himself. In spite of the other driver's aggressive attitude, the police told Marco it was a low-priority event and that it would take them an hour to respond. The two drivers exchanged information without Marco exiting his Model 3. The other driver continually told him that he was fully responsible, but Marco only laughed, knowing the entire incident had been captured on his Teslacam. He's now waiting for the insurance claim to be processed. If his Model 3 performance does end up getting totaled, he plans to upgrade it to a newer one. Keith was driving his Model X in Vancouver when he watched another Tesla get struck. The driver of the pickup ahead of Keith began changing lanes to the left before sideswiping a Model 3. Keith told us he was in a hurry, so he wasn't able to pull over and check on the involved drivers. Maybe the driver of that Model 3 will use the submission link in the description to send us their Teslacam footage. This subscriber was leaving a parking lot in his Model Y when he encountered a car stopped at the exit, blocking a Jeep right behind it. Suddenly, the driver of the gray sedan reversed right into the Jeep that had pulled up behind them. The sedan driver then quickly fled the scene. Instead of chasing after the hit-and-run driver, the driver of the Jeep continued out of the parking lot exit. Derek was waiting at a traffic light when vehicles in the 2 lanes to his left began moving forward to make their protected left turn, but the driver of the pickup behind him wasn't paying attention. He must have seen the other traffic moving out of the corner of his eye and taken his foot off the brake before rear-ending Derek's Tesla. His Model 3 applied automatic emergency braking, preventing it from getting pushed into the Kia in front of him. Both drivers then pulled into a gas station parking lot for a polite exchange of information. Police responded and created a collision report. Thankfully, Derek's Tesla was still drivable, so he was able to drive it home without any issues. Seto had left his Model S parked at a casino when Sentry mode captured every driver's worst nightmare. After trying to park next to his Tesla and instead running into it, the driver of a Hyundai SUV turned and drove away. Once Seto discovered the damage and reviewed his Sentry mode footage, he was able to locate the SUV parked at the other end of the parking lot. He reported the collision to casino security, the police, and his insurance provider. His Model S is now scheduled for a damage inspection so it can get repaired. Gannon was waiting for a traffic light to turn green in his Model 3, and when it did, traffic began rolling forward. The driver of a Mercury Grand Marquis behind him got into the right turn lane, a lane which does continue straight at the next intersection, but it's clearly marked as a bus lane. Instead of turning, the Mercury driver continued straight, but when he encountered vehicles parked in the lane, which is allowed according to the posted signage, he was going too fast to avoid a collision. At the last second, he slammed on his brakes before rear-ending a Subaru after honking at Gannon. Considering the other driver's aggressive nature, Gannon felt absolutely no need to remain at the scene or check on the Mercury driver. Instead, he left him to deal with the predictable consequences of his poor decisions. About an hour later, he came back the other way and discovered that the Subaru was still there, but the Mercury was long gone. He went inside the nearby coffee shop and gave them his contact information. This subscriber was going shopping when he rounded a corner to discover another driver who'd chosen not to close the gap. Knowing what tends to happen in these situations, he was ready with his foot hovering over the brake pedal. When a vehicle pulled through the gap in front of him, the driver of any other vehicle would have had to slam on the brakes. But our subscriber was using Tesla's self-driving and it handled the entire situation perfectly. Without him ever intervening, FSD avoided a collision, then continued after the other driver waved him by, as if he didn't already have the right-of-way. DeGino was waiting at an intersection in Ottawa when he watched a Honda driver nearly hit a construction worker in the crosswalk. Thankfully, the pedestrian saw the car coming and dodged out of the way while the driver swerved up over a curb. After stopping and apologizing for the close call, the Honda driver retrieved a hubcap before leaving. This subscriber was driving behind a white Volkswagen in the Netherlands when a cyclist suddenly started across the road. Thankfully, the SUV driver noticed what was happening and swerved around the cyclist as he slid to a stop. Hexastar was making a protected left turn when the driver of a Honda CR-V made an improper right on red after probably not paying attention to oncoming traffic. That was too close for comfort, but thankfully no contact was made. Hexastar told us he checked with Grok and the Honda driver would have been at fault if any damage had occurred. Paul was making a right turn through an intersection in his Model Y when the driver of a school bus illegally turned right from the straight-only lane. After the school bus came within inches of colliding with the side of Paul's Tesla, he told us the driver gave him a dirty look, as if Paul had done something wrong by not letting the bus cut in front of him from the wrong lane. James was driving down an interstate highway with his wife at 75 miles per hour when they suddenly encountered another driver coming the wrong way. Thankfully, James was able to evade the oncoming driver, then immediately called 911 to report the incident. An operator put him on hold, and when they came back on the line, they asked him if he was calling about the recent collision on the interstate. He told them no collision had occurred when he'd first called. He sent us a link to a news story about the collision, which reported the wrong-way driver slammed head-on into an SUV and a semi-truck. Incredibly, everyone involved survived, but alcohol was a factor in the collision. This subscriber was taking his child, as well as a neighbor's child, to school when he slowed to a stop in traffic before hearing tires squealing behind him. Instinctively, he hit the brakes to leave room in front of his Tesla, just in case he was about to get rear-ended. Moments later, a Jeep barreled past him on the shoulder at around 45 miles per hour before gradually slowing down, while the SUV behind him came within inches of rear-ending him, and another driver swerved onto the shoulder to avoid rear-ending them. It seems like that's at least 3 motorists who didn't leave enough room to safely stop. Remember, the shoulder is for vehicles that have broken down. It's not an emergency lane to compensate for your tailgating. Mick was following behind an RV when the driver tried to go under an overpass. The RV collided with the low ceiling, sending debris tumbling behind it, before the RV driver kept right on going, leaving Mick to remove the debris so he could continue. Mick was following behind a purple McLaren sporting a massive spoiler when the driver signaled to turn into a gas station. After the driver noticed a long line of people with cameras waiting by the side of the road, he must have decided to fill up later so he could instead pass by his adoring fans. Mick told us the driver must have been someone famous, but he only suspects this based on the presence of the photographers. If you recognize this car or know why people were waiting to take pictures of it, let us know. Abdi was driving through downtown Seattle on his way to a supercharger when he witnessed a huge meteor. He told us the shooting star made him freak out as he'd never seen anything like it before. He immediately saved the Teslacam video, then pulled over to watch it again. After reviewing the footage, he decided this was definitely a wham bam moment. Joel was taking his son to a medical appointment when he encountered someone riding a horse down the side of the road. Joel asked, "Who does this besides the Amish?" Thankfully, the rider was wearing reflective clothing so drivers would clearly see him. Bob was waiting at a traffic light when a motorcyclist approached from behind before cutting between his Tesla and a Prius. An oncoming police officer noticed the illegal lane splitting as he made a turn through the light, so he quickly made a U-turn to pursue the biker. Moments later, the party lights were on and the motorcyclist was stopped for some instant justice. Scott was driving down an interstate highway when he suddenly encountered something very unexpected in the middle of his lane. Scott swerved as soon as his headlights revealed a bear walking down the highway. Thankfully, it was able to run out of the way at the same time as Scott continued. I wonder if the Tesla AI team would consider that bear to be a vulnerable road user. If you liked this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button. And if you didn't like it, click the thumbs down button twice. Don't forget to send your Teslacam footage using the link in the description, and we'll see you next week with 20 fresh submissions.